So it's Shane Hartigan, IMS, and I've got the pleasure of meeting Gaz Rowntree from SignStix. Hello, Gaz.
Hello.
And also we've got Chris Colpaert from Philips Global General Manager.
Hello.
Hi, Chris. Guys, super excited. This has been a great event. 2019 Philips Showcase event, Marbella. Fantastic venue. It's just been wonderful.
Cool.
It's really good. Everybody, the crowd is buzzing. It's been super great networking. And I wanted to catch up with you guys particularly because we've got manufacturer on one side and we've got application developers on the other. And really, for me, this is the key. You know, what do you think, Chris?
I'm fully right. You're fully right. I think it's important that you have the combination of the hardware and the best software. And that's why we're here with our top partners, software partners, because we believe that their top of the bill, let's say, software can work much better on our very solid and powerful hardware. And I think the combination of the two has proven also with our customers that this is the mix that we need to push together. Yeah.
No, that's absolutely. I mean, it's all about the experience, you know, and you're right. Philips have a fantastic product. It's priced right. It's great quality. We've seen huge improvements in the last few years, not only on power but also resolution and all the new features that are coming down. Gaz, you're the guy that produces the experience for the guests, the functionality. This is what people need. Tell us about SignStix and what you guys are excited about.
We're excited about being able to deliver what our customers demand, which is they want one piece of hardware to hang on the wall that delivers the experience. So no media players, no PCs. So the more power that we can pack into the panel and that we can then use as part of that experience, that gives us the ability to play and deliver those kind of really engaging customer experiences. So, you know, we want to be able to sense when somebody walks over, change the content, use AI to have a look at them, see who they are, use the back-end data, then drive, you know, a compelling campaign to drive sales.
So, I mean, we've just seen Intel produce a beautiful new expansion card. I mean, super excited to see that. So it's getting some real power into that screen, you know, equivalent to i7 sort of processing. That must make it exciting for you, Gaz.
Yeah, we've been waiting and kind of pushing for AI accelerators. We need more compute power at the edge. And for us, we see the panel as, you know, it's another really computationally intensive piece of the network. So the more flexibility we have of putting different cards in there, so we can get the price down, put a simple panel on the wall if all it's delivering is, you know, a very basic piece of signage. But then when we want to get interactive and use computer vision to see that somebody's interacting with one of the products, then I need to be able to ramp up that power, get AI accelerators in there, and Intel are bringing that to us.
I suppose, Chris, back to you on you know, this new innovation, this extra power. It comes at a cost, right? And we've seen, you know, traditional installers using various NUC external PCs to add that oomph into the screen. Obviously, cost is a factor, and you know, this is new production, it's new hardware, and you know, is that going to affect the price, and will it make it available to everybody?
As mentioned already, it's a plug-in version. So in principle, if people don't need it, you're not buying it, of course. So what we try to do is to make products that are fitting the needs of the software partners, but also the end users. And if you don't need the horsepower, you could say, if you call it the traditional signage, then our solutions with Android and Android 7 now, which we released recently, is already so powerful that you don't need the Intel thing. But if you then indeed want to accelerate, and you want to do the AI, then you need more horsepower. And then the whole thing is, what we are trying to do is to fit it all into one display instead of an external box. Because if you start working with external media players and PCs, you have connection problems, sometimes cables, reliability. We just want to have everything in there if needed, and for the highest reliability and the best price, and that's what we offer to the whole community.
And the beauty of that is you've got one single panel. So for my customer who has 300 stores, you know, they got 6 panels in each store. They just need to stock, you know, those panels that are common across it. And then they can add the board to those that, you know, where that interaction needs that processing power, we do that. But for them, it's just one unit that they replace on the wall.
Yeah, no, I mean, it's really, it's such an exciting future. Guys, this has been an absolute pleasure, and thank you so much for having us here at Showcase 2019, Chris and Gaz.
And the flies.
Absolutely, we're flies. But look, we can't complain. Look at the weather; it's just fantastic. A beautiful pool. It's the last day for us.
Jump in now?
I think we should. I think we should, guys. I think we should. Anyway, onward and upward, and well done. Brilliant. Thank you so much.
Okay.
Cheers.
Thank you.
Thanks, Chris.